Hi there, it's Babs here from Yarn People, and I'm moving on from our grid format to show you how to work around the post. Now this is another technique which is used in many patterns, and it is used within our Popcorn at the Movies shawl. So I will post a picture of that so you've got an idea of what I'm talking about, and we're going to be moving on to round the back post, and I will show you the difference between the two in this video. Everything is worked from the front to the back, and the stitch is sitting on the front of the fabric. And now as we turn to work the back post version, you can see that we've got this row that's been pushed forwards by the front post, and we're going to be recreating that. Oh, there's an aeroplane. We're going to be recreating that by working around the back post. So we have yarn over the hook. I tend to pull things forward so that it makes it easier for me, and then from the back to the front, back to the back, pull the yarn around those stitches, and then work the treble as you would normally, or the double if it's American terms. So we do our chain because we're still working in a grid format, fold everything forward, yarn over the hook from the back to the front, around that stitch, and then pull it back through and complete with an extra chain. And this starts to give you the pushed forward effect on those stitches. So I shall just continue on slightly faster. And this could be the front of the work or it could be the back of the work. It depends on the effect that you're going for. Now in the Popcorn at the Movies shawl, we actually want this push forward effect. So when we use round the post, we're going for the pushed forward effect rather than the elongated stitch. So I'll just finish this off with another couple to go. And then we'll do a final treble at the end. Okay, and so now you can see, once I've managed to finish that off, we now have these two ridges where the end of that stitch has been raised up. And if we look at the front, we now have very long looking stitches that are going across 3 rows, that elongated stitch there. So this is the front post version, and this is the back post version of around the post type stitches. So hopefully that has been of interest and is useful to you, and it certainly will be useful to you if you're going to be working the Popcorn at the Movies shawl, which I hope you will do. Details are in the description below, and I will see you next time with a new tutorial. Until then, I'll say bye for now.